Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Eric with Eric's Car Repair and Rescue. I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing a video on this. This is my daily driver. I picked this up in 2017 for $750 at Car Lot out in the middle of nowhere. And he had this on his lot for about 10 years before I came across it. Bought it with 121,000 miles. And yeah, she needs some love. She needs some attention. But plan on giving her a wash and a wax. But anyway, this is my daily driver, my only car at the moment. And it's a 2000 Volvo S80 T6. And let's see. This car definitely needs some attention. Car now has 173,000 miles on it. Had the transmission. This has the infamous 4-speed automatic GM transmission with the Geartronic. I forget the transmission number, but yeah, I guess it's the same ones that they put in the Monte Carlos. But yeah, that was rebuilt. Anyway, yeah, I like working with my hands. Have a little bit of auto mechanic background. And anyway, this is basically an introduction video. But honestly, I really don't think people would be interested in watching a video on a 23-year-old Volvo. I mean, so anyway, yeah, this car needs some love. And so yeah, she runs pretty good. She's only left me stranded once when the fuel pump went, and that was only a half-hour job to replace. Yeah, this car's been really good to me. So I guess where I'm at now is a lot of the original components that haven't been replaced is starting to fail, and I'm under the impression that this car's probably only worth $900, if that. So, should I save this car or go ahead and try my try Copart? Would you like to see me try to rehab a vehicle from Copart? Anyway, I'm just getting started with this stuff, so this is going to be a work in progress as far as the channel goes. And hopefully in the upcoming weeks, months, we can get some more content on this channel. And with that, I wish everyone have a nice day, evening, or whatever time of day it is for you. And take care. Bye.